Hello students, welcome to the next session of Air Pollution Control Techniques, an open elective course. Course code is 2CHOE02. The objective of today's session is to discuss and understand combustion and condensation techniques used for controlling gaseous pollutant. At the end of this session, you will able to understand the basic principle, construction and working of combustion and condensation technique used to control gaseous emission generated by stationary sources of air pollution by successfully completing the review questions at the end of the topic. Combustion devices currently used in industries includes thermal and catalytic incinerator and flaring system. Thermal incinerator disposing gaseous pollutant by high temperature combustion. Catalytic incinerator operates very similarly to that of thermal incinerator, with the primary difference being that the gas, after passing through the flame area, passes through a catalyst bed. The catalyst has the effect of increasing the oxidation rate, enabling conversion at lower reaction temperature than in thermal incineration units. Therefore, catalyst also allows for smaller incinerator size. Catalytic incinerator uses a catalyst rather than heat to hasten disposal through the combustion process. Platinum and palladium are the most efficient catalysts. Flares are typically used as a last resource to dispose of gases that are of little recyclable values or are not easily combustible. Gases flared through this technique, generally from refineries, petroleum production and chemical industries, are composed largely of lower molecular weight volatile organic carbon and have high heating value. Other technique to control this gaseous pollutant is condensation method. Contact and surface condensers are used to dispose waste gas by freezing or condensing the pollutants into a more solid substance. The objective of today's session is to describe principle, construction and working methodology of combustion process and condensation method to control this gaseous pollutant. With this, I welcome you all for this session. Thank you.